Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a crisis communication plan with FEMA step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your organization's unique risks and vulnerabilities. Identify potential crises that could impact your organization. Gather a team of key stakeholders from different departments. Define clear communication objectives for your crisis communication plan. Create a communication team that will lead the crisis response. Develop a notification system to alert team members during a crisis. Outline communication protocols for both internal and external audiences. Create templates for press releases and social media statements. Establish a list of key contacts, including media and community partners. Designate spokespersons who will communicate with the public and the media. Train your team on crisis communication procedures. Conduct regular drills to test your plan's effectiveness. Review feedback after drills to identify areas for improvement. Update the communication plan annually or when significant changes occur. Document all procedures and distribute the plan to relevant parties. Ensure easy access to your communication plan in times of crisis. Familiarize your team with FEMA resources and guidelines. Incorporate FEMA templates and tools into your communication plan. Monitor social media and news channels for crisis-related information. Evaluate your organization's response after a crisis to improve future plans. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.